we are moving on to the maternity care and delivery services. Here, we should understand that this becomes a realm of obstetricians. The difference between an obstetrician and a gynecologist is like obstetrician takes a complete care of a patient once a patient becomes pregnant. So here, what we are going to see is with delivery. Delivery occurs in three phases. The first phase is uterine contraction and cervical dilatation. That is your first phase. We say the stages of labor. Secondly, what happens is as uterus is contracting, the cervix keeps dilating. So that's the first phase. Second phase is the delivery of the baby. And thirdly, you should understand the delivery does not end just with the delivery of the baby. It ends with the delivery of the products of conception. So these are the three stages of labor. Now here what can happen, if the delivery of the products of conception occurs prior to the delivery of the baby, then this could result in death of the fetus, resulting in a stillborn child. So you should ensure that the placenta does not separate from the fundus cavity, from the uterus, until the baby is delivered.